Hey yo, Ghana Black Stars. Yeah, didn't say Bibino. Yeah, Ghana Black Stars. You got tournament. One share for a serious. But when him Brown was no, they above finals. Ghana Black Stars are quite say Arsenal. Me buana. Underdogs, but when him Brown no more finals. Me therefore Enra Nyankopon adom Ghana ni England e de hyehyɛ so e ba na wie ye no na obi antimi amfa ball Anthony Yonko atenem enu nti ekoye 0-0 currently me no ka say Ghana e 4 points England e 4 points ana Croatia e 3 points ana Panama e 0 enu nti no uhwemu pa dia uti omo ni mbo mu ni de mo pa kyese round 32 ni de Nyankopon adom ya boy ho and we ankoye say kobo group stages bi and ya ba fie there bi Ghana round 32 no ya boy ho knockout stage no Ghana ya boy ho e also ya be yen senkyerani underdog ya ball baako din na nkofie ni a movie one step ahead ni a wo panye kakra bi 1 2 what sa me say omani mromo so no na Ghana Black Stars ebo finals okay. Enra after the match, you know, a ye goalkeeper no Benjamin Asare. But therefore, ne kania soy. Save sir. Enra Benjamin Asare a ye no. Echese ampa. A brante no. Wa prepare the whole power for the World Cup. Remember when we said before this World Cup, no, only delay it's not say. Emma delay busa and say.
Like, what's your dream team? Like team Ben Onya Yan Kababo.
Okay.
And from the look of things, it looks like all dreamy boom. Into dream Ben what team Ben Onya Yan.
Yeah, to say no can yes will be some that question by who say me who say in life no be any the way we say na the fame and the GDA then eti ana me so semenya Real Madrid me pe menya Barca me pe
amen
menya Manchester me pe
amen
even for menya Arsenal me pe
okay
team be approach me no say match me anya team me
and the fact that you are a World Cup keeper means say the like opportunity no is there.
Yeah.
Obi betimi ehu. Nyame betimi ama ehan bi. Ato so. Obekọ World Cup, betimi akọ save bi a. E betimi kwa the save of the tournament and they will open doors for you. Nyankopon there he doesn't need a big chance to perform like a wonder. It's to keep that positive way no disposition about you know. And I believe say like there's so much you can achieve.
Benjamin Asare energy or the World Cup no. Enya Ghana Black Stars samo or butaye sinani so ankasa irrespective of say okipu clean sheet bia na or promises bebre no onu amu ne so no sabi o nani so ade hunu and Enra ne performance ne chese da bi ye nua no determination ekuta no because on who's a tournament way after the tournament no say Ghana nu ba bia mpa ono de na ni so ade hunu no so obenya foreign team akono e wo say bem na after the match no we borrow Ghanaian celebrities no both movie actors ne musicians no ana me copy sister Afia post bia odema Benjamin Asare anu ti say utie me na unim Benjamin Asare ye Ghana Black Stars goalkeeper na Misro tag ne mame sister Afia say Yenfanto nanim se Nyankopon ya adom na tournament we ekọ na wie ya na obeduru Ghana hwe no anko ba bia onfa telephone friend na omrafie na obafia o yao so on sister Afia body ya tamu sister Afia se o the body ni ko gina kitchen apopo Benjamin Asare jollof pa de kotodwe eni aponche ye de ye ni bi sister Afia o guy fucking sister Afia nyame nshira Ewom se obi e kire ne do ache Benjamin Asare but I come here say jollof do na opese o de kire Benjamin Asare no ebro agene ne ntiase so me copy post we so e Facebook and as usual post be say no e will wait enti we are content creator na copy so now we are smart content creator eni say ototo na se e wo se ubora post mu ye now domu suko na he post no we read the diplomatic condition of the post to me say the otichro no sa na metiase say o say obey jollof African taste pa Ghana taste jollof ay de pa e de ama Benjamin Asare say we tournament na because yɛne England match no ɔbɔ ne ho mmɔdene ɛwɔ post ni na comment section hɔ Mr. Mo can't sister if you send you post now or the ma Benjamin Asare no so be jollof am na di no e wo Facebook no any DM hwe no anko read the comment section ho yeah ready agenda boys boys ne hard you know sister if you Mr. o the comment section okra no obi anka de opɛ but say if you Mr. promise na o the ma Benjamin Asare no di so pepepe I think say a guy make me a little research about you. Na de me copy so ne say yes say jollof de jollof pa de I think say wachi the whole Ghana will be any ho. Afia na bibia boko de mami oda so Paris am tonka me Paris say am no ka say mami tonka na ye ntena se na ye monkomo onti ase but jollof ne de obapa entie the boys agenda boys dey Afia do machi a unya bibi papa bia o wiase o na me kra na me say Facebook agenda boys ni ho. Hey yo, Benjamin Asare, Papa, you know way. Na sister Afia ube duru Ghana o. Obo mo di jollof bia ma wan hwe a any 3 days na nipa dua nyina asesa. Hey yo. O say Ghana Black Stars. And there is this guy, Spence so say why na oka England national team ne ho. One chair Thomas Partey. Listen, nipa bebre wan say guy no. One chair Thomas Partey. Irrespective of politics course so any media and your money course ni nyina no still this England player no one chair Thomas Partey na no kre e woman ye nyoma miensa me read the diplomatic condition of the behavior na based on my conclusion no nyoma miensa bi anemahu one now nipa na aba wiase no obi pe the easiest way na wanya talkability globally anunti ebia ne motivation ye say this is a good time. Even say Afia no any England national team no any wahu international politics ni nyina se there be say be asem no court ye mu ane for enu nti no e was say England team ne tia no kra no Spence was one no who say a good opportunity for him to be recognized and said to get a talkability the whole world nipa ba wiase no nipa ba wiase nipa nya ade kwa and your nipa ye we say no most of them na calculated what dodge no okay asem no be can be even odu Canada cry am na rem which means story no wait and until no the England for nyina be chia no ba me de me nchia no se man chia na camera beto so camera to so a obi abehu me ebe ma me ka nya so ebe ma shine because Thomas Partey situation no World Cup we ye kan your ma a trend ya untimi nyim film because Canada for ama Thomas Partey en remu no ebe news the whole world international platforms nyina kan wasem and until this England player no Spence was one no who said no Thomas Partey case no e will wait obetimi a ride on it to be popular na say one globally no obi who say England player now one chat Thomas Partey no onye and lo and behold after the match no sa incident kakra na isi ye no oko international platforms be bra o mo kan wasem and until no say na the motivation is say obe use that situation no e dey pay global talkability a wanya secondly ebetima ba say ohun say a psychological bullet a obetima use e dey crash Thomas Partey because okay omu nyina be challenge no enu nti no psychologically no Thomas Partey be dwen sra den akọ man dey won dey me tro no ebe wiki Thomas Partey confidence eno dey nipa o hye na chi o motivating is on kwesa de ne dey me mintimi ntina me platform so nka because na me ni ho but mpanifo say asem say etwa ho bi ne dey dance enu nti no say mpanifo bi o say team no say wan na hye na chi say onyusu sa moment no na onfa and torture Thomas Partey confidence no eno so no ye ruling it out enu nti no say ehu bibi sa ebetuma ba say obi na plug sa de no say onkoye sa de no in a very professional way say nyina echi aba wonko a wona sabi ye de adwuma na ma nti wo koye na affecting no yentwimfa no ba bi obegina yentwimfa no so because obobo na ontimi nya concentration which is very possible but obi bebu say sa de na oyeye no enya impact e wo Thomas Partey so na there be enya impact. Number 3 for years amatena brochire nyina ye can racism a na uye bibini wa brochire man ni say broni na ebetan wa brochire o say uye hoho wa brochire no atena brochire cha u penipa omu ye racist po omu yi nipa mu a eye ya ye ho eye bibifo broni abrofo no mu ye racist no mu no so but upa ye musa Ghana for mu akonto mako 100,000 about racism almost like 99% be catch us say your on one yonku bibini na be ye ne sade no masa oba kwantoma we are our own enemies yawdi e wo bibifo mu efa bibifo mu e wa kwantom no medafo ebi nsi da o me mentu kwankwa na mnim se bibifo ye tan ye ho saa o enu te betima ba say Spence o se wan na o free England team no ye Thomas Partey din kra ye kase na wan na hi ene hi ye ne bufu ye ne tan ye na ye tan ye ho me research about that guy ne mami free Kenya ne papa free Jamaica after ne papa kra lineage o free Ghana baby what you say but ene hi ye ne tan say adenti ne eka Thomas Partey asem me say o promo mu ye racist kese e wa abrochira ya ye ho abi before na ya ne tan ye ho broni bi antan bi ni bia wa kontom me ka no kra kire ye nga ne tan ye ho ana pate sa akwano no so obo premiership na now so na obo premiership ada nkra ne bi yawo ana ne Thomas Partey training kwala ne bi fam ana sasa on say Jimmy Sama akwane ye no on say ntiase nim no let's be serious because at the end of the day a national issue yawo no but yada na nyankopon ase